Hello, welcome to China Mosaic. I'm Wang Xiaohui for China.org.cn. After several days of counting votes, the American people finally found out the preliminary results of the 2020 presidential election. According to the projections of U.S. media outlets on November 7, the Democratic presidential nominee and the former Vice President Joe Biden has won more than 270 electoral votes. This year's race for the White House, with its twists and turns, can be regarded as one of the most dramatic presidential elections in American history. The election highlighted the stark political polarization in the U.S. In addition, the Trump administration's erratic behavior over the past few years has damaged China-U.S. relations and further fueled American populism. These are all negative assets in the bilateral relations left behind by the Trump administration. Therefore, I think China-U.S. relations still face huge challenges in the future. If the next U.S. administration wants to prevent any further deterioration in bilateral relations and bring them back on the right track, it should work with China on the following aspects. First of all, cooperate with China to overcome the COVID-19 pandemic. China and the United States successfully worked together in dealing with SARS, Ebola, and other pandemics. Trump administration refused to work with the international community, including China, and used the coronavirus to attack and vilify China. As a result, the Trump administration has allowed the pandemic to spread out of control across the United States. The new administration should encourage the two sides to cooperate in coronavirus research and vaccine development. Second, restore and develop trade relations. Economic and trade cooperation should provide win-win benefits. The trade war that the Trump administration started with China backfired, causing more economic pain than gain. The U.S. cannot solve its economic concerns by suppressing China. Third, work together with China to tackle climate change. During Barack Obama's presidency, the United States and China cooperated in global efforts to combat the issue. The two countries ratified the Paris Agreement, a process in which Joe Biden was also actively involved. In addition, the new administration should continue to develop cultural exchanges to consolidate the foundation of the bilateral relations. Cooperation to prevent the further proliferation of weapons of mass destruction and maintain international peace and security should also be enhanced. During the more than 40 years since China-U.S. diplomatic relations were established, the relationship between the two nations has experienced tremendous changes. In spite of this, China and the United States, as the world's largest developing and developed countries, should remember that cooperation benefits and confrontation hurts. The two countries should stick to the path of win-win cooperation for the general good of the two peoples. Thank you for watching.